Welcome aboard, everybody, to Green Living Path. Namaste. I'm Alyogi. Now, I used to suffer from reflux, really bad reflux in my stomach, my microbiome, and how I changed it. It was like I used to wake up at night. This is crazy, guys. It was like somebody had a lighter and had it inside my esophagus, all down through here, and I'd wake up with this burning sensation in my whole esophagus, which wasn't good. I knew something was wrong, and I had a science background at the time, so I decided to study what the microbe, how to actually transform, because it was just too painful waking up to that. So what I did was I started studying what was wrong, and it led me to the microbiome, guys. Now, I didn't realize the extent the microbiome is between the brain and the stomach, the gut. And the microbiome is from the mouth to the anus, and it basically has got the small intestine, guys, the large intestine, and it's got trillions of these little beneficial bacteria and not so beneficial bacteria, and that dwell in your whole alimentary canal and in your stomach. So what I needed to do desperately at the time to stop this acid reflux was to learn about it and to take steps to actually transform my whole alimentary canal. And I'm not alone. There's so many people in the world that don't realize that the effect the microbiome has. It actually can lead to, when you've got a bad gut and even a leaky gut microbiome, can lead to anxiety, depression. It can even lead to putting on weight, and it also can lead to diabetes, guys. So I didn't want that, so I studied away for quite a while, for months, and came up with this formula that I've decided to give to people to help them to transform their whole gut. Now, people don't realize the effect the stomach, the microbiome, is connected to the central nervous system, and it's constantly in communication with the brain. And when you've got a bad microbiome, it's to do with the food you're consuming. Alcohol's one that destroys the good beneficial bacteria in your microbiome. Now, and there's good food and bad food for your microbiome, guys. So it's really essential, if you're falling into one of those categories, anxiety, depression, putting on weight, diabetes, reflux, which I had, it's really important to actually transform your whole microbiome and leave that paradigm behind, because it's like an anchor pulling you down under the sea, and actually really affecting your whole life. So what I've done is I put together a 190-page complete microbiome book, which is like a blueprint that walks you through all the different things you can do to transform your microbiome. And so that's the main blueprint, the backbone of the microbiome course. And I've also got 10 videos that you can do to transform your whole microbiome. And this is actually the first stage, I believe, of actually making a transformation on the yogic path, or just walking the path to actually leaving the old self behind and becoming a happy, abundant, healthy, beautiful person, which you're destined to do. Now, just remember that the links below in this video, and boop subscribe, so you can get all this in a course to really help you out, and give you that transformation you're wanting. And it's really transformed my whole microbiome, because mine was in a bad state, guys. So lovely to see everybody. This is Green Living Path. We're here to help people out. And remember, you're not alone. There's lots of people that are in this state. And it's important that you get out with processed foods that are not good for you. There's so many things in this Western way of living that are not good for you guys. So you really need to take drastic steps to get away from the situation. So lots of love to everybody. This is Alyogi. Namaste.